Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review Kojic Ultra, a popular skincare product that claim to target dark spot and hyperpigmentation. I've been using for a while now. I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. So what is Kojic Ultra? Kojic Ultra is skin lightening and brightening cream that contain all active ingredients like kojic acid, vitamin C and vitamin E. It's designed to fade a dark spot even out skin tone and giving you more radiant complex. My experience is Kojic Ultra is like I have been struggling with the hyperpigmentation for a while and especially on my cheeks and my mouth area and also fed up with dark spots. So I decided to give a try with kojic acid. I've been using twice a day, morning and night for last 5 months, and effectiveness of this cream, I have to say it's really impressed with the result after just few weeks. I continuously use a kojic acid. I notice significant improvement on my skin appearance like dark spot reduce, and I have definitely lightened my skin and also texture and absorption of the Kojic Ultra. One thing I love about Kojic Ultra, it's lightweight texture. It's not greasy at all, which makes perfect layering of under the makeup or other care products also. Plus, is absorption very quickly and skin without leaving any greasiness, and I can say it's penetrate very well. And for sensitive skin, I have somewhat sensitive skin, but I haven't experienced any kind of irritation and any kind of reaction using Kojic Ultra. However, it's always good idea to do patch test before using any skincare products in your routine. Long term result of kojic ultra, as per long term result, I am hopeful that would be continue using this product and my dark spot will continue fade up even more. I definitely keep using kojic ultra, update all the information about my progress. Final thoughts about kojic ultra is like overall I highly recommended the kojic ultra to anyone struggling with the hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, any kind of dark spots. It's effective and gently absorb your skin and penetrate very well. Just remember, use sunscreen during the daytime to protect your skin for further damage. That's all for today. If you have any questions regarding Kojic Ultra, please comment below. Don't forget to share and subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.